In this video, we will show you how to see domain metrics using Semrush. Using Semrush, we can compare the domain, and also we can use the Semrush to see the domain metrics, how the valuable the domain names. Okay, to check the domain metrics in here, we can select the SEO and select domain overview. After that, wait until the loading is completed. For example, we can check, this is my last check, worldwildlife.org. Just type the domain name that you want to check the metrics. You can see there is many tools that you can use to see how valuable the domain name. In my case, I'm checking this domain name, worldwildlife.org, and you can also compare the two domains by typing another competitor in here if you want. But just let's see. You can see the AI visibility mentions the cheated page of this domain. You can see the authority score is very high here, about 74. And you can see also organic traffic, paid traffic, and referring domains. Traffic shares in the US is about 45%. Okay, you can see the distribution by country of this visitor of this domain name. There is US, UK, and Italian, the visitor source. Okay, and top cheated source, there is Wikipedia, YouTube, and Facebook. You can see the organic research. The keyword is WWF, Pangolin, World Wildlife Fund, and another you can see there. And this is informational, navigational, is related about the intent of this keyword. Okay, you can see the top paid keywords on this domain name and also main paid competitor. Maybe you can compare, for example, with redcover.org to compare which one the winner of both this domain. And this tool is very helpful if you want to buy some websites and you need to see the metrics of the websites. And maybe you have two domain names. If you want to buy, then you can compare it and see which one the best. Okay, in this case, the worldwildlife.org is the winner. Okay, authority score, Semrush rank, organic traffic, all about this domain name is the winner. Compare with redrover.org. And this is the organic traffic. Okay, and you can see keyword overlap. Wow, the worldwildlife.org is bigger, okay, like giant and tiny one. And that's all how you can compare or see the domain metrics using Semrush tool. Okay, if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.